KashKick shows a region-locked message when your IP address, account location data, or device signals don't match the countries where the platform is officially available or supported. By the end of this, you'll know why KashKick blocks regions, how it detects your location, and the exact fixes that determine whether you can access it again. Start with what the lock actually means. KashKick isn't checking just your profile settings. It verifies your real location using IP address, device region settings, and sometimes payment or account metadata. If those signals don't match supported regions, access gets blocked. First fix is checking your IP location. Your network IP is the main signal KashKick uses to decide where you are. If it shows a different country than your actual location, access can be restricted immediately. Second fix is turning off VPNs or proxy services. VPNs often route traffic through restricted or mismatched regions, which triggers automatic blocking even if everything else is correct. Third fix is updating your device location settings. Phones and browsers can send location signals that conflict with your IP, and mismatches between the two often cause region errors. Fourth fix is restarting your network connection. A new IP from your internet provider can sometimes resolve temporary mismatches that triggered the block in the first place. Fifth fix is avoiding travel or roaming networks during access. Mobile carriers sometimes assign international IP routing that doesn't match your actual location, which can trigger restrictions. Now here's what actually matters when the region lock doesn't go away. Most region blocks are automatic enforcement rules, not manual bans. That means the system is reacting to mismatched location signals, not judging the account itself. So the goal is to make all your signals match one consistent region. If everything matches and you're still blocked, it usually means the service is not supported in your current country, and access won't be restored unless your location changes. Summary: KashKick region locks happen when IP address, device settings, or network routing don't match supported countries. The system relies on automated location verification. Consistent signals are required for access. Next step: disable VPNs, confirm your real IP location, and make sure your device settings match your actual region before trying to log in again. Like and subscribe for more clear, no fluff fixes for apps that stop working when their location systems get strict.